10 amazing keto dessert recipes for your low-carb diet. These amazing keto dessert recipes will satisfy your sweet tooth, all while helping you keep to your ketogenic diet. All these yummy ketogenic desserts are low in carbs and sugar, so you can enjoy with zero guilt. The key to being successful on the keto diet, or any diet for that matter, is to not feel like you are deprived. If you start feeling like you can never have sweets or carbs, then most likely eventually you will cheat and overdo it. Thinking you are getting something sugary, even though it is completely keto-friendly. So next time you are craving something sweet, try whipping up one of these seriously delicious keto desserts. Let me know how they turned out. 1. Pecan Pie Cheesecake, via Hey Keto Mama. Keto dessert recipes. What do you get when you mix one great dessert, pecan pie, with another crowd favorite, cheesecake? You get this awesome yummy creation. This dish is so light and delicate nobody will even know it's keto-friendly. The recipe is great for groups as it makes 12 servings, and make sure to check out the low macros too. 2. Chewy Double Chocolate Chip Cookies, via Peace, Love, and Low Carb. Keto dessert recipes. Hey, you know what's better than a chocolate chip cookie? A double chocolate chip cookie. It's like a brownie and a cookie came together to form the perfect combo. You will be amazed at how moist and soft these are. Enjoy! 3. Cookies and Cream Ice Cream, via Ruled.me. Keto dessert recipes. If you're in the mood for ice cream, and let's face it, most of us are, then you will love this perfect keto version. It's so creamy, so crunchy, and so delicious. You won't want to put it down because of the flavor, but it's so rich and filling that it won't take much to satisfy your sweet tooth. Now you'll just have more for later. 4. Mixed Berry Coconut Creamsicles, via Peace, Love, and Low Carb. Keto dessert recipes. There's something unexplainably joyful about eating a popsicle. We all remember those hot summer days when we were kids and a popsicle was just perfection. Well, now that we're adults we can go back to that with these homemade keto delights. They are super easy to make and fun too. Don't worry either, if you don't already have a popsicle mold, Peace, Love and Low Carb provides a good recommendation for a mold so that you can start making these anytime you want. 5. Snickerdoodles, via Domestically Creative. Keto dessert recipes. Snickerdoodles are always a great choice for dessert. These sugar-free, guilt-free cookies will definitely satisfy your sweet tooth. You'll find that they are perfectly soft and chewy just as they should be. You won't want to put these down. 6. Mocha Mousse, via Ruled.me. Keto dessert recipes. You'll be amazed at how quick and easy this decadent dish is to prepare. Something this rich and satisfying shouldn't take less than 20 minutes to make, but it does. Gourmet desserts have never been easier. 7. Sugar-free cheesecake, via Wholesome Yum. Keto dessert recipes. I'm a huge fan of cheesecake and I'm sure many of you are too. This one is sugar and gluten-free and you'd never know it. The recipe is simple with very few ingredients and very minimal prep time, and that's always a plus. 8. Chocolate Mug Cake, via Wholesome Yum. Keto dessert recipes. This ultra-moist cake is so good you'll think you're cheating on your keto diet each time you take a bite. Well, good news, you don't have to feel bad, it really is just that good. See for yours LF and check out the nutritional info on Wholesome Yum. Go ahead and indulge, it'll be okay, lol. 9. Lemon Bars, via Hey Keto Mama. Keto dessert recipes. Lemons are a great fruit for your keto diet because they are so low in net carbs. The problem is many of you may not want to spend your days eating plain raw lemons. Although if that's your thing, no judgments here. Well, this is the perfect solution. This lemon cake is sweet and tangy at the same time and will keep those net carbs low. 10. Brown Butter Pecan Ice Cream, via Keto Diet Blog. Keto dessert recipes. Raise your hand if you can't get enough butter pecan. Everybody's hand raised. Good, I knew they would be. Check out this amazing creamy and buttery recipe, I know you'll love it. Want more? Please subscribe my channel.